All right. Hi, guys. This is CKLA Unit 1, Lesson 2 for kindergarten. The first thing was Heggerty. I already made its own video for Heggerty. So yesterday in kindergarten, we learned the letter A. The A says A. Here is an uppercase A and then a lowercase a. And then these are the stars. Whenever I push these slides out, the stars are linked to YouTube videos and extra ways to learn. So today we learned the letter B. This is an uppercase B and this is a lowercase b, and we'll talk about writing the B in just a minute. So I am linked it to this YouTube video. Let me move my screen.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
If it is too loud, turn your volume down on your own device. Thank you.
B is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet. B is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet. B is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet. B is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet. B, 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 I know a boy, 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 boy. He has a ball, 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 ball. He likes to bounce, 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 bounce to the beat, 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 beat. Beat, beat, beat. B, 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 b. I read a book, 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 book about a bear, bear, bear. Bear, 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 bear. Who had a boat, 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 boat. And it was big, 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 big. B, 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 b. Write it uppercase B in the air. 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 Write a lowercase 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 b in the air. B, 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 B is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet. B is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet. B is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet. B is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet.
All right, so those are some of the things that the stars are linked to. So now I'm going to change it so that the whole screen is me, and we are going to look at this anchor chart that is laminated. So turn that off. Okay, so I'm going to say a word on my B anchor chart, and I want you to repeat it after me, okay? So, what begins with B? Bear. Ball. Bill. Blind. Basketball. Do you hear the B? Basketball. Baby. Bathing suit. Bag. Banana. Beads. Beach. Big. Boots. Bottle. All right, so those are some things that begin with B. All right, now we are going to go back to our chart here. And what I want you to have now is we are going to practice writing the letter B. You need a piece of paper, a pencil, and I want you to bring a smile. All right. I'll give you a minute to do that. All right. So I'll get myself situated. And you don't have to do the writing right now, but I'm just going to show you how to do it, okay? So I'm going to start with my uppercase B. It is a tall letter, so it needs to go from top to bottom, okay? So I'm going to start it top to bottom, and then there are 2 humps. It's always nice to practice writing on lined paper that has the dash lines in the middle, because we use the dash lines for a lot of things, like letter formation and letter placement. And for the B, you go down and you know where to close the first hump and open up the second. All right, so I'm going to do a couple of those. Okay, and what I would do is I would go through the classroom and I would circle the one that looks the best and then maybe critique something. And not always do I critique, but I always give a compliment. So I'm going to number under mine, and I know this is a recorded video, but just so that you can get practice on things that look better. So each B has a number underneath it, and I want you to say out loud, which of my B's looks the best? Is it the first one, the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, or the sixth one? And because I can't hear anybody, I'm going to choose one myself. So I'm going to look at my work, and it's really important to be able to evaluate your own work and see what's good and what's not good. So if I had to choose, and I can choose a couple, I would probably choose the first one. Looks pretty good. And I don't know, these ones look okay too. I'd probably choose the second one. All right. So you can do that yourself. You can look at your own work. You can have a sister or a brother, aunt, uncle, grandma, grandpa, parents, anyone that is at your house and is safe to talk to. Okay. So now with the lowercase b, Miss Tab's a little bit crazy. I like to have a little saying that goes with my lowercase letters. So the B, the lowercase b, is a tall letter. So if I say it's a tall letter, that means you have to start at the top and go to the bottom. Okay, so my saying for the lowercase b is down the bat and around the ball. Down the bat and around the ball. Some other teachers might say this because B's and D's are easily confused. They would say down the bat and right around the ball. Because when you're looking at it, you're going the right way over here. You're going right. Down the bat and right around the ball. Bat, ball. They both start with B. Down the bat and right around the ball. Okay? So that would be an easy way to practice the B's. And hopefully if you say and right around the ball and you learn your left and right, it would be easy to tell the difference between a B and a D. All right. Well, that is what we did today for kindergarten reading, learning the B. So I hope you guys have a good night, and thank you for coming.